guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just want to react over an argument that has been going on between these two big, YouTubers. I'm sorry, I'm a YouTuber, I'm just coming up. I don't really know much about YouTube. I'm still learning actually, but seeing you guys videos and like watching those videos and hearing all that you guys have been saying about each other, I don't think it's right. And they decided to make a video over their arguments and drop their videos in YouTube. Is it supposed to be that way? And what I've noticed about these two people is I think they have some other issue that's been bothering them, and they don't really know how to go about it, bringing it out and quarreling over it, and they decided to put it through YouTube video and drop it in YouTube for people to watch and see how they quarrel themselves. And the point there is they're actually using upcoming YouTubers as an excuse. They're actually using people like us that are still coming up as an excuse. Collaborating and not collaborating, helping and not helping. Guys, this is not right. This is not right. If you have issue, I don't think this is the right way for you guys to settle your issues. Find another means to settle your issues. I'm not siding anybody here. I'm just very neutral here. But what I'm trying to say is that it is not nice. We are all sisters. It doesn't matter who wants to help and who does not want to help. It doesn't matter who is lazy and who is hardworking here. If you feel you want to help the upcoming YouTubers, fine, help them. Help them. Subscribe to their channel, share their videos. Like me now, I am upcoming. I've never seen one big YouTuber clicking on my channel, subscribing to my channel, or dropping one comment for me, or even sharing my videos. If I even go to their own channels and watch their videos, and drop a comment, they will not even respond. Nothing like thank you. So you guys using the upcoming YouTubers as an excuse here to make your own videos and to get more viewers and to get more subscribers to your channel, it does not make sense. It doesn't make sense. Because even when the foreigners happens to watch these two videos and see that you guys are quarreling over nothing, it's gonna be so shameful to Nigerian YouTubers. It's a shameful thing to Nigerian YouTubers that they can come up with videos like this and just abuse each other directly or indirectly. If you guys feel that you really love us as the upcoming YouTubers, it doesn't matter if you live in Port Harcourt or Lagos or Abuja, pick up our videos. Like me now, go to my channel, pick up my videos. Even when they don't make meaning, at least they might not make meaning to you as a big YouTuber, but they could make meaning to someone else. They could make meaning to somebody else. Pick my videos, any one of your choice. Share them to people. That's the way you can help me as a new YouTuber, as an upcoming YouTuber. Not coming up and just talking and quarreling each other over nothing. Over nothing. And not doing something about it. Do something about it. And the only thing you can do to show your love to the new YouTubers or upcoming YouTubers like you guys are talking about is to pick up our videos, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos. Let it go viral. That way I will have views, and that way you've helped me. It doesn't matter if I have to collaborate with you or not. It doesn't matter. So I don't see any reason here. I don't see any good points, in what the both of you are talking about here. I don't see any good points. It doesn't make sense to me at all. All those arguments these two big YouTubers are having concerning, the upcoming YouTubers does not make sense to me at all. I feel it's just a way for them to make, to increase their views. It's a way for them to increase their views. They're just trying to get attention, to increase their views, which is okay. But don't use us as the upcoming YouTubers as an excuse to have your views, because they're not helping in any way at all. They're not helping us in any way at all. I've never, gone to my channel one day and see one big YouTuber subscribing to my channel. YouTube will tell you this person has subscribed to your channel. that person has subscribed to your channel. You even see all the comments there. At least make one comment. Let me see that, this is a big YouTuber that has visited my channel today. Nothing like that, except the person that introduced me to YouTube. Except the person that introduced me to YouTube, which is Black and Shine. She's the only one that has been, watching my videos, supporting me, encouraging me by all means. Outside that, no other big YouTuber has ever supported Rosie channel. So what are you guys arguing about here? What are you talking about here? You're trying to give the whole world the impression that you're doing something to help us that's still coming up. Nothing, absolutely. You guys are not doing anything at all to help the upcoming YouTubers. So, what is it? What are you talking about? What are you arguing about? What are you fighting over? It doesn't make sense. To me, it's just a way of getting views for yourselves. Yes, that is what I've seen here. Because people are watching. People are watching. They're watching. And it doesn't make sense. So don't use us as an excuse. I'm still coming up. I've got just 1,300 subscribers. And God knows how I struggled to get that subscribers, that number of subscribers. So what are you guys talking about? Show me love. If you really want to show us love, just go now and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos, especially this particular one. Share it. Let me know that of the truth. It is from your heart that really want to help the upcoming subscribers. The upcoming YouTubers. Talk the talk and walk the walk. Is that how they say it? I don't know, but you know what I'm trying to say. Practice what you're just preaching now. Practice it. And then the world will know that for sure, from your heart, really wants to help upcoming YouTubers like us. Like the upcoming YouTubers, we watch a lot of your videos because we learn from you guys. We learn from you guys. If it was possible for us to copy and paste, we would have seen a lot of your videos in the upcoming YouTubers' channels. They would have copied a lot of your videos and pasted it on their own. So what am I trying to say here? We look onto you guys to learn from you guys as big YouTubers. Seeing this kind of character from the both of you, I don't think it's nice at all. I don't think it's nice at all. I don't think it's nice. So I just have to call a spade here. That's the way it is. It's not nice, guys. Find a way and settle your differences, but in a different way, not this way. Not this way. Making a video of yourself quarreling and abusing the other person and posting it on YouTube, forgetting that the whole world is watching that video. It doesn't show how responsible we are here in this part of the world. It doesn't show. Please, find a way, I'm saying it again, to settle your differences. And remember that the upcoming YouTubers are looking onto you to learn from you. So they shouldn't learn, quarreling, making a video of how to quarrel. It's not the right thing to do. So you guys have really gone wrong here. I'm sorry. I know you might not take my word seriously, but I'm speaking to you, from a heart of love to the both of you. Thank you so much for taking my advice, and thank you for mending your ways.